Ghost ants inside your house can be a total nightmare, but using sugar-based baits is one of the smartest ways to kick them out for good. So ghost ants love sweet stuff, right? That's why sugar-based baits work like magic. They attract the ants, they take the bait back to their colony, and boom, you're killing the problem at the source. First off, put the bait where you see the most ant activity, like along baseboards, near windows, or around your kitchen counters. Don't just scatter it everywhere. Placing it thoughtfully means ants find it faster. Keep your kitchen clean too, because crumbs and spills just make these little guys stick around longer. Make sure to avoid spraying insecticides near your bait, since that can scare ants away from it. Patience is key here. Ghost ants don't disappear overnight, but if you keep topping up the bait, they'll eventually vanish. Also, seal cracks and entry points around doors and windows so new ants don't sneak in later. Lastly, avoid switching bait types too often, since ghost ants can get picky, so stick with sugar-based baits until you see results. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ghost ant control is using the wrong bait type, like protein or grease-based baits. Because ghost ants specifically crave sugar, so those won't attract them properly. The fix? Use sugar-based baits and keep them fresh. Another common slip-up is spraying insecticides right next to the bait stations, which just scares away worker ants before they can carry the poison back home, so keep sprays separate from baits. Lastly, ignoring cracks and entry points lets new ghosts keep coming in even after treatment, so make sure to seal those gaps with caulk or weather stripping to block their access. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for pest control or home repairs without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their services, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.